Based on the creep test data, the following conclusions can be drawn. Materials with strong creep stability. ABS, ABS-GF, and ABS-CF exhibit extremely low creep strain increments, indicating excellent long-term dimensional stability. Materials prone to significant creep. PA and its reinforced variants show the highest creep rates. Notably, unreinforced PA reaches a strain value of 38.965 by the 10th day. PLA and PETG also display substantial creep strain increments, making them unsuitable for high-precision structural components. High-performance engineering plastics. PEEK and PPS-based materials exhibit exceptionally low creep rates, making them ideal for applications requiring high mechanical strength and resistance to long-term loading. PCCF performs outstandingly, combining high rigidity with excellent creep resistance.